Today we are going to make a chili cheese dog pizza on the Blackstone outdoor pizza oven. Perfect. Okay. And we did just make a barbecue pork burnt end pizza, and we had some trouble with the dough.
So we'll try this one.
Yeah. We did fix it, though. You'll have to look for that video.
Come on now.
I'm going to give that to you.
Okay.
I am going to chop up some hot dogs while he does that, which does sound weird to put on a pizza, but it's chili cheese dog pizza. What do you think about pickles on pizza?
Depending on what it's with.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like pickles.
Oh, like pickles on a cheeseburger pizza would be good.
Yeah, I could do that.
And I did make some homemade Cincinnati style chili.
Okay. Looks like almost like the state of Florida. Why?
I think it looks great. I do.
Yeah, we're going more square.
Cincinnati style chili going down. I'm going to start opening up the cheese. Yeah?
It's more over there.
Now you're bossy. Whole lot of cheese.
More over there.
All right. Hot dogs on
Hot
the
diggity
top.
dogs. Have some hot diggity dogs.
Yeah. Okay. What do you think?
I gotta add my couple. Untouched here.
I used to be able to boss him around. Man. Let's get in the pizza oven.
I think I can get it to me.
Okay.
We're gonna hope.
Beautiful.
Does smell good.
Do you? Or should we?
Chili pizza?
I always brag on you that you made it. I love the char on the hot dogs. Oh, it looks really hot, but I want it so bad. Oh my gosh.
Well, I'm drizzling mustard on mine.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll get the smaller one.
Cook good.
Oh, yeah, the crust looks great. Okay. Cheers.
The mustard makes it.
It's so good. Where are the napkins? Yep, you guys have got to try this.